Today I'm making a quick video showing you how to replace the cabin filter on a 2016 Audi A6. It's under the passenger side here, so you go under the dash on the passenger side, and way furthest panel back is this little piece of foam. You just unscrew these little hand screws. They come right out of here pretty easily. Unscrew those. There's just the two of them. On the other side over here is just a hook. So do both of those. So you take this piece of foam, just kind of pull it right out of your way, unhook it over on that side, that there, and then there's your cabin filter. So towards the right side, towards the outside of the car, there's a little hook. So if you get your hand up here, see if I can show this, right there, and you kind of pull this away like this, the whole thing just kind of flies out of there, because the front edge of this hooks in to a hole right there. So when you're reinstalling it, you're gonna push this into that, and then this latches in. So now with that out of the way, all you do is, this one's really dirty, all you do is kind of wiggle this out of here. It looks like this was installed in the past kind of bad. Usually these come right out, but it looks like it's kind of distorted. So mangling it on its way out. Normally they come out a lot nicer than this, but you just kind of wiggle this out of here. You may have to bend it a little bit. Sometimes removing the floor mat will make it a little bit easier. This one's already so screwy, doesn't really make much difference. But yeah, here it is. So the taper goes towards the outside of the car, so when you're reinstalling it, it's going to go in this way. All this debris that fell down, I'm going to vacuum this all up afterwards, but you can take your new one, put it right back in, same way. Usually goes in pretty easy. Like this, just kind of take your time, go side to side like this so you're not crumpling it all up. Take your cover, put your cover back on, hook this edge first, leave that side kind of down like this, and then this side latches right on. So push that till you hear it click into place. Make sure this thing is barbed on all the way, give it a little pull. And then you can take this piece of foam right here, stick this back on, hook this side on first. It's already been damaged, probably by the same person who installed it last time, but this piece of foam goes over the top of this piece of plastic like that, and just kind of move it around until where the thumb screws kind of can pop through like this, and you can see them both. Put those back in and you are good to go. So that's all, pretty easy cabin filter. Thanks for watching.